And Adam, me Papa Dofo, Archbishop Charles Ajinasari waha. When you know when you're they are calling him. He was born on the 22nd of March 1962. Na kanona yenim Word Miracle Church International. Ono na debaye. Then kone nima na beye Perez Chapel International. Ebeye the leading Pentecostal charismatic, I call it movement, because it ignited the flame of love and the power of the Holy Spirit, virtually in everybody in this country. On one of the Precious TV by Uprichia ne du baby ana watone boase, beloved. He's also the Chancellor of the Perez University College and then author of several books. Now, Achiase, our Eastern region, and Ofri. I said the Medica Catcher 22nd March 1962. And Yawono. In 1984, and Yadin Sagun so sran and go ordaining as a missionary by Enoch Agbozo. In 1986, he traveled to Nigeria to study crusade planning, and I am not surprised. There is no biblical crusader who is more powerful and energetic in our time than our beloved man of God. Under the leadership of Benson Idahosa in Benin City in Nigeria. Now, if he's some anybody in our basin, no, one man in who quine, and many amid your dear or pay. Minim die a wono timebusano 22nd March the me who say Monday, say Tuesday, say Wednesday, say Thursday, say Friday, say Saturday or Sunday. Maybe so no. Yet me to us. Now, if you die or didn't say good and so share no nyamini pano. Say kasa basubo award here and Crawford JDR. Any wajibebre titru or by a member of the Order of the Volta. Na eno eye mampeni Dada John Ajekum Kofo Epenso. Ena odisa basubo man no for outstanding achievement in championing African excellence as a religious leader. It's on record that he's one of the 7 Africans our de Africa etukwan akọ amai bebreso. And I am honored this morning to introduce to you Archbishop Charles Ajin Asari. Papa Kwaba.
Yeah, Captain Smart. Yeah, the nyamiase for our bravo.
Amen.
And yeah, that if one so I see. Na when I went to me piano pa because for the past 10 years me piano pasa na senya usitata maybe na me jime ho anje internet sebeba. It's a pleasure to be here.
Thank you, Papa. We are also grateful for one invitation. Da me ba wa sorry mrebi na yeah show video said you was shas here ne kwan ya ofa so a be sachra ye nipa bebre ntimi anya kwanya hwe bi eye den na obeye Kristo ni
sanya udi kan no ye wo mi wa chance banye ho na mefi
okay
nam papa ye sojani Well, me papa fi Saman kese.
Okay.
Ne maame fi Gomo Afete.
Hey.
Na okoye Jumate Udro those days ewo achiase. And na oshia me maame. And na on in a fair fru. And na me papa eto wirem. Eba nkran. Sen na wanya soja. Nti ya hwehwe ne yehu. Yehu na afi wachro se wako soja. Nti oba na wahye ne fru no obeware no ye yi. Nti fast forward, that was about 1950 BB. Nti 1962 na papa wo Weja Barracks. And na me ma me ne na wo achiase. Nti onye me ye no okoho na e wo me. Na menyini wo Weja Barracks Teshi. And me call Armed Forces Experimental Burma Camp. Intimidi 11 na me pass Akoma entrance na me call St. Martin Secondary School in Sahom. Na me could do in Sahom no those days 1973 na one why bus secondary school one fee either middle school form 2 form 3 form 4 nti na one nyini kakra nti na ebinom one or form 5 that means there will be about 18 20 something nti na ebinom nom jot ne niema nti na one afra me Charles Braha ko some jot imam nti jot nso de wo so esese wo ba no nti kakra kakra
so anu abo
nti 11 by the time I'm 11 I'm back here no na cigarette no ma abaye habit
that age
nti me di 12 no na cigarette ne ntumi nya na afei wi ne ntampe na mahye me do form 4 no na ye mate baako e bodam nti ye de no call mental hospital ne ho to no no se me ka won a e de wi be school be che no ho enti Father Duge esesa me ne madam fo bi na chire odi bi kan ho se yenso ye mental hospital ne enko hwe se nya me ncha de doctor no say humobro no sama ye ba school say entisa
okay
na nti me ba back na papa ka chire me say senia ade na sisa no se man hwe ni yi a school ye be pam me oh ni 2 weeks prepare na me ni me friends ye call dance ye dwane fi school ye call dance nti ye wo dance hall asakulumsa hotel nsawom ye wo ha na homachi 2am obi ka ba kan se o ya be ro call uni ho nti me ba adopada me call house master ho na mso house master me te se o be ye ro call na me wo science lab na chi osina me nim se o be kan sa nti me call science lab na chi na uni ho na mso nse nua bi wase ho ayaye tent bi ho na mkɔhye osina me nim se o be kan sa nti me call nua na se
kɔhye na uni ho
enti the long and short in this say you sack me from school but not fortunately it's that time not form 5 first term enti na ya register for O levels no dada enti school no pene so say me ntro me O levels enti me tro actually now I had to go back to my papa enti my papa he disowned me okay say I was saying me suba enti no me nse ne ba because at time nam papa fi soja mu na oya adwuma Ghana Highway Authority na I work superintendent enti ne yede na kotamale medi na chi ko tamale e kopa ne chewo ne yi okay me start here people teacher kakra
e
watamale ho
this was so ka house and
me kadagbani kakra me hunu am afradi enti me ko tamale ho ne ho na me antics no na edoso enti as a teacher na family be say 1% extra hours for one ba nti be do fi o na abayo bi ho mfa mayo na ye mienu nyina me se mepe ba ko de na mpese me no etena kakra nti me ye me moves no ano say oh me boyfriend and I'm say boyfriend or he and no see your friend Yesu nti obema me introduce you to my boyfriend and I'm say oh so that time na me practicing nature and social Buddhist and I na my nature and social Buddhist for 4 years and reading Tuesday lumps and rampa books no actually say Jesus is one of the masters who come at a particular time nti for me it was like a joke. You know, she said, obey my girlfriend, and she said, or introduce me to my boyfriend. And well, you two say, I'll go and meet that boy. That night, high on marijuana, I walked with her into church. Now those days,
high on marijuana.
Yeah, high on marijuana. Me kotena sorry na chire ho me twen na yapon na yakọ. Enti men kai ne preacher no kai banya me kai ne se oso pese o sakra. Na o fera de se waje nkwa, okra je nkwa branim. Me hu ne ye, me hu na manante akọ anim ho. Efisa ada no.
Is this the preacher?
Yes. This is the preacher. Your friend K is great heart.
Okay.
Of Netherlands in a big preacher is ada no.
Ewa Tamale
in a Pentecost church.
Okay.
Na girl near Pentecost ni. Enti oye altar call and I'm a call. Na ye point na girl no sere me say oh say dey obetimi aye my boyfriend. But na bibi si wo ma na me ketire and say there be.
Menye biom.
Aye. If you know the power of drugs, alcohol, tobacco, lust broke from my life.
Hey.
From that night.
That night.
That night. Until 2 weeks later, na me think can say nyame afre me say men kana say men yesofo.
Wow.
Until if you and I'm starting say me see me ho say me yesofo. Nyame ncha de na apostle Anna na watermale sa ada no. The former general secretary of Church of Pentecost. And on the apostle on the Reverend Steve Miller. One share my home can was or anymore. And one friend, one farm got in a mission house. Intimate mission house for 2 years.
Now 2 weeks in the moon.
Debbie.
After
2
weeks, my home hold it back.
From
Good.
2 weeks, no, the enough a me zeal, no. Bia Meshia no bia media dance here children. Baby a mefe bia me catch and crofo say so nim say na me ti say masesa. And na tamale impotema na meti jogbeli area ho no obi anim say Charles de Charles ma ni nsan ne yi na Charles na asesen de bi okura Bible
no mo gidi de
oh na me papa cry initially no say Charles nye mai a hu wo Pentecost na me ma 6 months me say de obaba say wanyem be 3
oh
but nyame adom Debbie, nyame prove say ojewa na wajewo na ofa Kristo a na niema dada na atwam na niema nyina ya foforo nti efi ho na am start say me siesie me ho nti after 2 years na me fi Tamale ban cry me ban cry no na baby abete ne asore na eye challenge kakra nti but na afi na nyame na me hu say me nya nhyeso say ese me disofo nti me start say me witness ya teshi me ni sitete me no na ma start ya sorry and that was my first church na me were adimu be 3 years in 1983 nti anumu me da sorry a me bom pa yes say nyankopon asomafo nyuma no me hu say Peter no won sayare ni ayi na endedi nti ma me hu na endedi anumu na Dr. Morris Serlo Ebe School of Ministry ono angaza mpo ama oba video cassette so na enumu na nyame kasa kire me minya na me friend say an encounter a mete nyame ni say my boy Charles eno na ma me de two bookie
that's my boy Charles.
My boy Charles enti oye meeting no me ye bom paye man crofo na me kokoto ye me bom paye na me tisa anyinem ana
but I'm from my boy Charles then say na enti when we say book no e wa asechire say the title ni city here my boy Charles go grab a copy me kind from page 1 to page 208 and right. I'm hoping say maybe and now I say Friday. That's right. Whoa.
Enti mete as if thundering and lightning. And I mete any. Say my boy Charles, I send you out as I sent Moses. Go, I'll put my words in your lips. Reach the world for me. And I'm saying, hey, me, I don't come from a rich family. So I'm not A-level spend mature. Enti how am I going to reach the world? Mini passport, mini BBR. Inti after na mkobo mpaye. Inti mpaye ni on the third day. Na msanti ya nina ebio. No, say my boy Charles. I give unto you power over demons and principalities. Heal the sick, raise the dead, preach the kingdom. And I'm saying, nyame say, "What can be okay?" And I'm say, "My Bible scripture, because now can be as I say, what Bible mu." And yes, I na home for an enemy kasa. No, see Luke chapter 9 verse 1. We bring my Bible called Luke 9:1. Or say no frere. He called the 12 and gave them authority to cast out devils and heal the sick. If you heard them who say, "Nyame ashemedin," say menko na menko sa yare. And since then, in 94 nations of the world, I have preached the gospel from Japan to Brazil to South Korea to Australia to America, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and everywhere. Baby, amaka nyame asem bia nyame ada ne ho adi ni tumi adi wasayare a kyerɛ sɛ Yesu Kristo owuye no ɔda so te ase.
Whoa. Beautiful. Papa Sambre na o sacha and one kasa uji who di say wa sacha.
Pa.
Oh, okay. Because me papa so phobia so no akra no on shedan ji who di say wa sacha.